What are the arbitration rules? Have you ever wondered how disputes can be resolved without stepping into a courtroom? This is where arbitration comes into play. So, what are the arbitration rules? Let's break it down. Arbitration is a process that allows parties to resolve their disputes outside of traditional court systems. Instead of a judge, one or more neutral third parties, known as arbitrators, make the decisions. This method aligns well with libertarian principles, which emphasize privatizing dispute resolution and minimizing government involvement. First off, participation in arbitration is usually voluntary. This means that both parties must agree to use this method for resolving their issues. This voluntary aspect is a key principle in libertarian thought, where individuals have the freedom to choose how to handle their conflicts. Next, arbitration is based on contracts. When parties decide to arbitrate, they enter into an agreement that outlines the rules and procedures for the arbitration process. This flexibility allows individuals to tailor the arbitration to their specific needs, which is a fundamental aspect of libertarian ideology. Now let's look at the arbitration process itself. It starts with an agreement to arbitrate, often included in a larger contract. After that, the parties select their arbitrators. These arbitrators may have expertise in the relevant field, which can help ensure a fair hearing. During the arbitration hearing, both sides present their evidence and arguments. Finally, the arbitrator makes a binding decision, which typically cannot be appealed in court. There are two main types of arbitration: binding and non-binding. In binding arbitration, the arbitrator's decision is final and legally enforceable. In non-binding arbitration, the decision is more like a suggestion and can be rejected by either party. In the context of libertarianism, arbitration serves as a way to bypass government regulations and legal systems. For instance, binding arbitration can help parties avoid certain laws by agreeing to resolve disputes through arbitration instead of in court. However, this can be a controversial approach, as it may allow stronger parties to gain an advantage. From a libertarian perspective, arbitration represents a form of private governance. It allows individuals to manage their disputes without state intervention, reflecting the principles of voluntary contracts and private dispute resolution. Critics, however, argue that this can create power imbalances, where stronger parties may choose arbitrators who favor their interests. So, there you have it. Arbitration rules provide a structured way for individuals and businesses to resolve disputes privately and effectively, aligning closely with libertarian values of freedom and choice.